I designed this routine to be friendly on the knees. We minimize flexion and extension at the knees, do a couple of isometric holds where we get into a position, building lower body strength without movement. It's a full body workout. We are doing arm movements, leg movements. I'm Sandra. I designed these workouts for over age 50 based on my background in rehabilitation, my work as a personal trainer. I'm so glad you're here. Let's get started. Starting with our warm-up moves, we're going to tap our heels forward, just alternating heel taps forward. You can add some arm swings, going nice and easy at the start of this routine, letting our body get warmed up. We're standing tall. And you can continue with your arm swings and then switch to toe taps back. So just tapping toes back. One more each side. Move over to the side slightly. Reach both arms forward, palms facing down. We're doing 2 steps side to side. Here we go. 2, 1, 2, 1. And then add little arm circles. So as you're stepping, both arms circling in the same direction and then come back the other way. We'll go 2 more in each direction. Last one here, and bring it back. And arms come down, just shake out the arms. We're gonna have palms in front of the chest. We're alternating lifting heels, and same side heel lift, arm pushes forward. So here we go, lift your heel, push the arm forward, bring that hand back, and other side. So as we lift the heels, getting some strengthening, some movement into the lower legs. There'll be a small bend at the knee. We're getting a little bit of gentle lubrication into the joint. Strong arm pushing forward. Four, 3, 2, 1. Come into a march on the spot. And as we march our feet, we're going to lift and lower our arms with inhale and exhale. So inhale the arms up, exhale the arms down, and keep going. And 2 more. Lower the arms, feeling warmed up. For any of these exercises, if it feels like a balance challenge, feel free to have a hand on the back of a chair or a wall or a countertop. Hands on your hips. We're gonna have core engaged. So little scoop of the lower abdominals or a subtle slight pull in of the belly button. Standing tall, we're gonna take the right toes and bring them forward. Lifting the leg, we'll circle back, tap the toes back, circle forward, put the foot down, and then go to the other side. So here we go, semicircle, tap the toes back, semicircle, tap the toes forward, and foot comes down. Other side, left foot, toes forward, circle back, circle forward, and foot comes down. So just keep switching sides with a circle back, circle forward, foot down. Strengthening at the hip, moving the hip muscles in all directions. We'll do 4 more for each side. Three more. 2. Last one for each side. Bring your fists in front of your chest. We're just going to start with our feet about hip width apart, standing tall. As we extend one arm out to the side, just pulling that arm out, same side leg, we're going to tap the toes out to the side, and then bend the elbow and the foot comes down. And we'll alternate sides. So here we go, arm extension, tap to the side, and then other side. Keep going like that. As you extend that arm, think about the back of the shoulder and the upper back muscles activated. Core engaged, tall spine. And keep going. Four, 3, 2, 1, and bring your arms down, shake it out. We're going to hold the lower body in a chair pose, so an isometric hold for the leg strength, and then we're going to do alternating rows with the arms. So let's get set up. You're going to have your feet either close together touching or a little bit of space between them. Decide what's right for you. And then imaginary chair behind us. We're going to bring the hips back as if we're going to sit down. So hips come back, there's a little bit of bend in the knees, and we're holding in this position. We're going to reach the arms towards the floor, turn the palms to face back, make a fist with your arms, and then one arm at a time, pull the elbow back. Again, thinking about those upper back muscles, pull the scapula, the shoulder blade toward the spine, and then reach forward, and then other arm. And keep going. Keep chest lifted, eyes forward. We're not rounding the spine. Keeping the legs in that crouch position in a chair pose. Again, strong arms. We'll go 4 more for each side. 3, 2, last one for each side, and come up tall. Let's bring those fists in front of the chest again. We're doing kick and punch. So we're gonna lift one leg, straight leg out in front of us. Opposite arm is gonna punch forward. Core engaged, standing tall. Here we go. Kick and punch, and keep going. Just lifting that straight leg out in front. Just purposeful moves. 4, 3, 2, 1. For the next exercise, we're going to have our hands either on the back of a chair or a countertop or a wall. And you could also do this just with your hands on your hips, just a little hinge at the hips to bring the upper body slightly forward and then toes behind. I'm going to use the back of a chair, so fingertips on the back of a chair. I'm going to move my feet a little bit away from the chair so that I have a bit of a hinge at my hips, bringing the upper body slightly forward. And then bring the toes of one foot behind you, and we're going to lift and lower straight behind, thinking about the glute muscles, strengthening the hips, strengthening the glutes. Here we go. We'll do 10 lift and lowers for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch sides, other leg, toes behind you. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring that foot down. We're coming back to our isometric hold chair pose, and this time we're just going to hold and breathe and have the arms reaching forward. So again, find your foot position, either feet together touching or a little bit of space between your feet. Imaginary chair behind us as we bring the hips back, just a small bend into the knees, and you decide. It can be a very subtle movement. You could come a little bit lower, so find what feels right for you. Chest is lifted, eyes forward, and then we're going to reach the arms forward, palms facing in. Find your position and breathe. Make sure you're breathing. Hold. We'll stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. We're going to come into some stretches, just allowing the body to cool down, work on some flexibility. Again, these are all knee friendly. So we're going to start with the feet a little bit wider, just a bit wider than hip width. Arms alongside the body, fingertips on your thighs for side bends. We're just keeping the legs as they are. And side bends, slide your fingertips down your leg. And then come back up and side bend to the other side. Just feel that nice opening side of the hip. Just going side to side. One more each side. We're going to do a pyramid pose. So we'll have one foot forward, one foot back. Toes of both feet are pointing forward. You could have a hand on a wall or another support, hands on your hips. Either way, we will hinge forward from the hips, bringing the upper body forward to feel a gentle stretch to that back leg. And coming back to your breath. Have another breath. Lift the upper body, switch your feet around. Toes are pointing forward, hands on hips or on your support, hinge forward. So we're not rounding forward, our spine is neutral. And we're breathing. Let's have another inhale, exhale, and lift up. Clasp your hands in front of your chest, reach the arms forward, knuckles forward. Just allow the shoulders to come forward a little bit. Send your breath into the upper back. And release your hands, and you can clasp your hands at your lower back or just put your hands on your lower back. Bring the shoulders back, maybe extend the arms as we bring shoulders back, expand across the chest. Always coming back to your breath. Notice your full inhales and exhales. Release your arms alongside your body. Turn your palms to face forward. Lift the arms slightly away from the body. And then maybe bring the arms back slightly. Point your fingertips back. Feel that stretch all along the length of the arms. Release your arms, shoulder rolls up, back, and down. And when you're done with this routine, I appreciate a comment. Let me know how this was for you. Are you dealing with knee issues? And if so, how are these exercises for you? I appreciate hitting the like button. If you're not already subscribed to my channel. One more shoulder roll. And then we'll do inhale, exhale of our arms. Inhale to the ceiling, exhale down. Two more. Big inhale and let it all go. Awesome work. Have an amazing rest of your day and take good care.